Beloved, we are so grateful for you and your prayers and participation in today's service. We want to take a moment to extend to you three invitations. The first invitation, beloved, is if you are looking for a place to connect. If you need a place where you can talk to somebody about your relationship with God, or you are looking for a church home, we want to connect with you. And so you can join us at belovedcommunitychurch.com/connect. There you can let us know who you are and how God is working in your life, so that we can partner with you on your spiritual journey. The second thing, beloved, is that if you are in need of prayer, you can 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, go to belovedcommunitychurch.com/prayer. And when you submit your prayer requests there, our ministry team gets those prayer requests and we lift them up to God. And know that we are praying with you, praying for you. Whether it is your situation or a loved one you want to lift up in prayer, you can go there to belovedcommunitychurch.com/prayer. And then, beloved, if God has blessed you and you want to be a blessing to us, we invite you to go to belovedcommunitychurch.com/give, where you can give to support the work that we are doing in the world. Beloved Community Church has been on the forefront of moving the needle of social justice in Cincinnati, around the state, and around the country. And we continue to do so as we are looking to expand our efforts to help liberate all of those who are oppressed. And your gifts help to support us in that work. So you can go to belovedcommunitychurch.com/give or find us on the Giveify app. Beloved, we are so glad once again that you have joined us in worship. We pray that something that has been said in this worship service, that the experience of this worship service has been impactful, transformative in your life. My name is Pastor Nelson, and I will be praying for you, as will the Beloved Community Church. God bless you. We love you. Have a great day.